Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel, which is all about hair, health, and beauty. And today, as you can tell by the title, we are reviewing one of my new favorite wig companies, Nadula Hair. So if you are interested in knowing more about this unit, stay tuned. So Nadula Hair has become one of my favorite hair companies as of recently. So I'm super excited to review another wig from them. And as you can see, we have some curls. I think this is my first curly hair purchase from Nadula Hair. It is because I have a headband wig, which is kinky straight, and then I have an HD lace straight wig from Nadula. So this is actually my very first curly unit from them. Whoa, eyebrow or eyelash trying to stick. So I'm super excited about this. Now I did do, again, this is not my first rodeo with Nadula Hair, so I wasn't like that nervous to try one of their curly units out. I'm very picky when it comes to my curly hair. I want it to look very, very natural. I don't want the curls to be loose, you know, like I kind of want it to look like my real hair. Not saying that I don't like other curly wigs, don't get me wrong. I love really all curly patterns, but for my headband wig, I did want my curly hair to be kind of like a tight curly, not necessarily kinky curly, but like a tight curly. And this did not come to disappoint. Now first I'm going to show you guys my unboxing of this hair. I didn't do my detailed unboxing because I feel like I didn't want this video to be super long. So I'm just going to show you guys a clip really quickly of me unboxing my hair. As you can see, they provided 2 headbands with this wig. I know there are some other reviews on YouTube and they gave like other random stuff, but for my unboxing for my wig, they only gave me 2 headbands, which I'm happy with, and of course the hair. Now as you guys can see, or I don't know if you guys could tell from the video, but I will be taking this off and putting it back on so you guys can see exactly how to even wear a headband wig and why you need one, sis. If you don't have one headband wig, let me tell you, you need one, okay? Trust me, especially on those days where you just want to run out the house real quick, but you don't want to look, you know, a hot mess. You didn't do your hair, you just want to slick it back, but you don't want to do a bun. This is definitely it. Definitely. I was going to put product in the hair, but as I let the hair air dry, it was giving me this. And I was like, you know what? Let's go ahead. We are going to go ahead and rock it in its natural texture like such. So this is the hair with no product whatsoever. I literally just washed it with my Aussie curl shampoo. I will link it below if you guys want to know, or let me know if you guys want to know what I'm talking about. It's literally this huge bottle I got from Walmart for like $6, and I just use it for all of my curly units. And then I let the hair air dry. I did not even deep condition or anything, and I thought I was going to have to, but nothing. Now I was thinking about adding some highlights to this hair just because, if you guys don't know, I love me some color, but I don't think I am. I actually am leaning more towards just wearing it like this in its natural curl pattern. The headband that I'm wearing is one of the free headbands that they sent. The other one is like a leopard print looking one, as you guys just saw. So I just threw this one on. Of course, if you don't like the headbands that they give you, you can get some really cute cheap ones on Amazon. But this one was actually super cute. You know, nothing too fancy, just a little pop color here and there, and I was here for it. The other thing about Nadula Hair is, at least the last 3 units that I purchased from them, they did come pre-layered. So I don't know if when they make their units, they just use the shorter length hair up top and then just use the longer bundles at the bottom. I have absolutely no idea, but I absolutely love I love the layers that they put in the hair, so I didn't have to go in and do anything special to it. I literally popped this bad boy out the bag, washed it, let it air dry, and here we are. So you guys can see the curl pattern. It's not I feel like it's in between curly and kinky curly. So it's not kinky curly, but it's like believable curl. You know, it's not one of them 3C looking wigs. It's like it's not quite 4C. Maybe this is 4B, but this is, I love it. Now I did fluff it out just a tad bit because I didn't want it to be too big, but I wanted a little bit more volume. You know, I wanted it to be a little bit bigger. So I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see the back. Like I mentioned before, I do believe that everyone needs a headband wig in their stash just for those days where you just have to do something really quick. Now I will say I do not believe you should pay the same price that you would if you were buying a lace front wig. Let me say why. This is supposed to be less hair, but ironically with Nadula hair, I feel like it's just as full as if it were a regular wig. I know Nadula markets these wigs as like a headband wig, but in my opinion, these are actually just half wigs. And if you used to wear half wigs back in the day, you know they were the bomb, but they didn't last long because they were usually synthetic. So this is basically like a human hair half wig. So I'm going to take this off to show you guys the construction of the wig. I'm going to lay my edges again because I did these earlier, and just show you guys basically what you would do and how you would wear your, I'm just gonna call it a half wig or a headband wig, whatever you want to call it. Again, the reason why this is not, in my opinion, considered a headband wig is because there is no headband attached to the unit. But you do need a headband on the wig to hide the weft. But since this is a half wig, technically if you want to, you can leave out the very front of your hair and slick it back and blend it, and you know, because again, look how full this hair is. Okay, so I'm going to take this off so I can show you guys the construction of the wig, and just so you guys can kind of see what I did to my real hair and how I prepared my hair for this unit. You guys can see it's extremely easy to put on. It really probably won't take you nothing but a minute. And if you don't know how to cornrow your hair, it's no problem. You can just slick your hair back into a little bun. I just did some loose cornrows, just trying to hurry up for the video. And you don't also have to lay your edges. As I showed you, you can bring the wig up and just put the headband if you don't know how to lay your edges. Like, laying the edges is just something that I do. It's just my preference, but it's not for everybody. If you want natural edges with this hair, you can do that. Or if you don't want to slick your edges back at all, you can just pull it up and just have the headband like right here. And if you want this unit to be further back, you can do that. You can really play with this. You can make it so that you kind of, it looks like you have like a hidden part. You know, you can really just do do whatever you want, make this unit your own, but I would absolutely give this unit a 10 out of 10 from price. The company, like I said before, I've worked with Nadula hair before, not work with them like this because this is not a sponsored video. I bought this with my own coin. But so far, I'm a huge fan of Nadula. They always have sales too, so even if you're extra cheap like myself, be sure to sign up for their email and text list because they are always having sales. One of my favorite YouTubers, and I cannot think of her name, I think it's Miss Mary or Miss Naturally Mary. She is the one who put me on this unit. And now here's the thing about big YouTubers is I just assume that they get sent the best of the best. So I'm always like slightly hesitant. Like, I'm excited for them to do a review so I can get an overall picture of the company and what they have. But you know, I have purchased wigs before from big YouTubers, not from them, but because they recommended certain wigs and mine did not look like theirs. So I was not as hesitant, only because I purchased from Nadula hair before, but I did see this from I think it's Miss Naturally Mary or Miss Mary Naturally, and she had this unit. She rocked it all. I think it was Christmas break when she went to visit her sister, and I was like, dang, that curly hair is the bomb. I wonder what she's wearing. And she finally, I think she did a video later on and said, you guys keep asking me, it's Nadula hair. Here's a link to the original video. And I had watched that video when she first, you know, uploaded it. And another key with a big YouTuber or just any YouTuber is if you see them wear that unit later on, that's how you know. That's really how you know it's a good one, because they got it for free. They have nothing to lose. So if they wear it again, that means they're wearing it because they actually like the wig. And so she was actually wearing this one again, but hers is way longer than mine. I like this length because, again, I like it to look as natural to me as possible. So I don't remember the length, but I will put it here. And as far as the price of the wig, I'll put it here as well as in the description box below. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, I do plan to have more wig reviews coming out because your girl is growing out her natural hair, and I have some good news hopefully coming soon. So I can't wait to share that with you guys. So if you're not a part of the family, please do subscribe. Help me get my subscribers up. And if you want to see daily pictures or just be more connected with me, I'm always posting on my story on Instagram. That's at hairvolutions. So don't forget to follow me there as well. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know below. And until next time.